Running a small business isn't easy. Every call, every message, every contact matters. But juggling between apps, logging conversations manually, and chasing missed follow-ups, it's exhausting. Your CRM should work for you, not against you. What if every customer interaction, calls, SMS, contacts, notes, was automatically logged, accessible, and organized? Meet CrispCall integration for Bigin, a fully integrated cloud telephony system built for small businesses. No more switching between apps. No more missing customer touchpoints. Just seamless connectivity. Getting started is effortless. Connect CrispCall with Bigin in minutes. Simply sign up or log in to your CrispCall account. Navigate to the integration section and search for Bigin. Click the connect and you will be redirected to the Bigin authorization page. If you already have a Bigin account login, click accept to grant the necessary permissions for the integration, and the integration is complete. And here's the best part. Customize your settings and choose exactly how your data syncs, whether it's bulk or single contact updates. Enable automatic call logging and even connect multiple numbers in one go. Now let's explore how this integration transforms your workflow. Every contact stays updated automatically. Add a lead in Bigin, it syncs with CrispCall. Update a number in CrispCall, it's reflected in Bigin instantly. No duplicates, no manual effort. You can even call your leads and customers directly from Bigin. Click on the CrispCall logo next to your contact. Select Call. The CrispCall dialer pops up and you're instantly connected. Please make sure to install the CrispCall Chrome extension for a seamless calling experience. Taking notes during a call? Tagging important leads? Do it in real time while you talk. Every detail is saved and structured, ready for your next interaction. Did you miss a call? Send a quick SMS follow-up without leaving Bigin. Every conversation, whether call or text, is right where you need it. Never lose track of a conversation. Every call, every voicemail, every missed alert is logged automatically. No need for manual entries. Stop wasting time on scattered data and disconnected workflows. With CrispCall inside Bigin, small businesses stay organized, close deals faster, and never miss a lead, all without the hassle. And the best part? You get all of this at an affordable price that small businesses can actually afford. Integrate CrispCall with Bigin today. More efficiency, less hassle, so you can focus on growing your business.